Fear is a universal emotion, especially amplified in the realm of horror. Whether it's the suspenseful silence before a jump scare or the relentless pursuit by an unseen entity, horror thrives on our deepest fears. But what if we approach these terrifying scenarios with the ancient wisdom of Stoicism? How can Stoic philosophy help us remain calm and composed when confronted with horror? Stoicism, a philosophy founded in ancient Greece, teaches the development of self-control and fortitude as a means to overcome destructive emotions. At its core, Stoicism emphasizes understanding what we can control and accepting what we cannot. This mindset is incredibly powerful when applied to horror, where fear often stems from the unknown and the uncontrollable. Imagine a protagonist in a horror story who remains calm in the face of danger. Instead of succumbing to panic, they assess the situation logically, focus on what actions they can take, and maintain inner peace despite external chaos. This is the essence of Stoicism applied to horror. By controlling their reactions, the protagonist reduces the power that fear holds over them, turning what could be a moment of terror into an opportunity for resilience and strategic thinking. Stoicism teaches us that while we cannot always control the events that happen to us, we can control our responses to them. In horror, this means acknowledging the fear, but not allowing it to paralyze us. By embracing Stoic principles, we can transform our approach to fear, seeing it not as an enemy, but as a natural response that we can manage and overcome. Consider the Stoic practice of negative visualization, where one imagines the worst-case scenarios to diminish their impact. In horror, this technique can help individuals prepare mentally for terrifying events, reducing the shock and fear when faced with actual horror elements. By anticipating fear, we lessen its grip and maintain our composure, allowing us to act rationally rather than being driven by sheer terror. Moreover, Stoicism encourages living in accordance with nature and accepting the impermanence of life. Horror often plays on the fear of mortality and the unknown, but a Stoic perspective embraces these realities with acceptance rather than dread. This acceptance fosters a sense of peace and reduces the anxiety that horror seeks to exploit. In essence, blending Stoicism with horror offers a unique lens through which to experience and overcome fear. It empowers individuals to face their darkest moments with courage and clarity, transforming horror from a source of pure terror into a catalyst for personal growth and resilience. By staying calm and focusing on what we can control, we can navigate even the most terrifying scenarios with grace and strength. So next time you find yourself trembling in fear during a horror story or movie, remember the Stoic teachings. Embrace the philosophy that while you cannot control the horror itself, you can control your response to it. In doing so, you not only conquer your fear, but also discover a deeper sense of inner strength and tranquility.